Hello and welcome to our unboxing of the Lovevery Play Kit, the Investigator. This is a specially designed play kit for children ages 31 to 33 months. It includes a lot of inspiring toys that your little one will love playing with while developing so many skills, such as fine motor, gross motor, problem solving, memory, and more. As a pediatric speech and language pathologist, I'm sharing some activity ideas to help your child develop his or her language skills. I'll share some target vocabulary, which includes core words and high-frequency words that are important for your little one to understand and use. And I'll also share some language activities to build receptive, expressive, and social language skills. Mama's gonna slide it in. Oh, good sliding. Yep, all the way. Oh, there you go. Now we're going to find matching colors. Yeah, you put one in first and you're going to hammer, hammer, hammer. Can you hit it hard? Boom, boom, boom. Nice job. Do you want blue or yellow? Blue. Blue. Find blue. Knock, knock, knock. Oh. Nice job. Do you want, good looking, orange or yellow? Orange. Orange. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Nice job. That's good hammering. Do you want some more nails? Yeah. Oh, this one. Do you remember what that's called? That's called yellow. Yellow. Find yellow. Oh, is that where yellow is? That is where yellow goes. Knock, knock, knock. Nice job. Are you all done or do you need more nails? Done. Are you all done or do you need some more? All done. You're all done? Okay. We're all done for now. Let's play something different. Ready? Can you take them out? Yeah, every time we finish, we're going to clean up. See if you can pull them out. Mama. Oh, you're asking for help. Can you say help, please? Help. Mama's going to help you. Out. Nice job. Out. The nail comes out. We're going to clean up. Ready? We're going to slide these sheets right into the box. I love that we could just clean up everything within the same play toy. Talk about convenient. An awesome design, huh, Lena? Yep, bye-bye nails. Alright, we're gonna play matching now. This is such a fun one. Look! Let's see what's in the box, Lena. Can you tell me bike? Bike. Uh-huh. Plane? Plane. Fire truck? Fire truck. Bus? Oh, you're right. Fire truck goes ew, ew. Bus? Yeah, gong chicha, that's what it's called. You're driving. We say bus in English. Neat, nice job. Oh, and look, truck. Truck. Ew, ew. And I'm labeling all the items right now so that she gets familiar with what they're called in English. Yeah, that's called car in English. Now, with all of these face up, I'm just going to have her match the saying. So Lena, we're going to get accustomed to the concept of putting the saying together. Can you put bus with bus? Nice job. How about we put bus on top of bus? Can you put plane on top of plane? You got it. Thanks for following directions. Put car on top of car. Put truck on top of truck. Put fire truck on top of fire truck. Put bike on top of bike. So this part was word learning. Now we're going to actually get on to the memory part of this game, which is where we're going to test and work on working memory. In other words, some short-term memory. All right, Lena, and I'm going to start with two objects. So I might start with two very different ones. Like I'm going to pick car and plane. Let's try. Hey, Lena, look. Here's car and here's plane. Mama's going to flip over. All right, Lena, can you give Mama the plane? Which one's 飞机 plane? Oh, there's the plane. Shoo, fly away. All right. What's here? Cha. What's it? What do you call it in English? Car. Car. Yeah, car. Let's see if it's the car. Whoa, it is the car. Yes. Thank you. Oh, can we be gentle? And can you give it to me gently? That's gentle. Thank you. And now we can go ahead and add in a third item. Yeah. Yes. Okay. 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 Oh, look. Car. Bus. And the plane. Oh, careful. You don't want to hit your head. That's going to hurt. Car, bus, plane. We're going to flip over. Bye-bye, plane. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, car. Bye-bye, bus. Oh. Lena, are you ready? Can you find the car? You got the car. Car. Drive the car. Yeah, drive the car. Lena says she wants to drive the car to see Grandma. That's nice. I'm sure Grandma would love that. 妈妈一定会喜欢的. Okay? Now let's find something different. Lena, can you find the beep beep bus? Beep beep bus. Is that the bus? No. No, that was the plane. Where's the beep beep bus? You got it. Beep beep bus. Beep beep. Beep beep bus. Yep. Beep beep bus. Beep beep bus. Beep beep bus. That's fun. Oh, you want to see yourself on camera? Okay. Here's another really fun one. Ooh, wow. Lena's trying to take the pieces out. This is a very interesting puzzle because it requires the child to twist and figure out how to align the different parts of, align the different spaces to these shapes in order to take the pieces out and also put them back in. So the square, as you can see, these little pieces move. So Lena really has to use some problem-solving skills to get them in. Wow, hey, you did it. Oh, you got lucky with that, huh? Yeah, I saw you. All right, should we do it again? Yeah. Can you show Mama again? Yeah. Thank you. Mama's gonna take it out, and you watch me first. I'm gonna take it out. Look at the Mickey Mouse ears. Oh, stuck. Turn. Out. Stuck. in?
Yeah.
Oh, you got it in. Luna's using this turning technique now to get them in. The hope is that eventually the child will get a sense as to how it works that way and more explicitly and intentionally line up the spaces with the shapes. Nice job, Lena. You got them all in. Do you want to try the twisting side? We're going to twist. Wait a minute. Oh, that's tightening. Okay, twist out. Down, down, down.
Down. Down.
Down.
Up, 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 up.
Yeah, your left hand makes it go up.
Down, 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 down.
Down, 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 down.
Down, 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 down.
Whoa, you're figuring out the direction now.
Up, 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 up.
Is that fun? Yes. Up and down. Well, Lena, let's play. You have blue. Oops, pick up the blue. Throw blue. Oh, you put it in the blue hoop. Yellow in the yellow hoop.
Oh,
You got it.
control.
More?
Yeah.
Gandol for more, yes. Can we grab them again?
Yeah.
Mama has the bean bags. Here you go.
Here you go.
All right. Are you ready to throw? Red and red. Can you show hooray?
Yeah.
Yay!
Control.
Gandol, more. Let's go more. Collect them again. Pick up. Pick it up. Oops. Pick up the yellow. Oh. Throw. Oh, Lena got it right in the circle. Nice job.